Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iPhone being stuck on red battery. Now, if you guys are low on battery and you've charged your iPhone but it does not, get above the red battery line and it gets stuck there, I'll teach you guys how to fix it. Now before that, if you're new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let's get started. So the reason why your iPhone can get stuck like that is because of your charger too. So make sure that you've connected your charger properly. And if it does not get charged from your charger, you can try changing your cable. Try to change your charger cable and this problem will get fixed right there. But if it does not get fixed, what you can do is you can try to restart your iPhone. Just go to your general and tap on shutdown and just restart it. Just shut it down and just tap on the power button again and restart your iPhone. Or you can always try to force restart it too. So after doing those two things, your problem will get fixed and your your battery will go above the red battery line. And that is all for the video too. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, leave a like down below